Okay, my people, this na man on the street and I dey for inside Pidgin News Network. And here we dey get news, another story, another mecha where they make our day they go serere werere. And my people, this story where they bring corner from Crosswater as serious begin ya what is it they go on. I know since I call begin now, I think say maybe now bomb they shoot, I been something they happen, I be corona don't knock people down. And my people, but when I know say now because of this corona matter, now the government can put law for New Orleans and America, say everywhere, say make them make sure say they close down everywhere. As they close down restaurant, another place where we say rat go see food the chop. Now rats come outside though, they say we no go gree or we no go gree. What happen? Rats begin hold their belly, say they don't take, they never see food shop. Which kind of nonsense be this now? Now the vest come outside, begin they shout for street, they hold their belly, they make noise. Now everybody they see that rats they come out, they say what did they happen? Why rats they come out like this in their plenty number? My people, shock unconscious now the Center for Disease Control for America. Come tell everybody say I beg go make una lock una door and a window and everywhere where we say rat fear entire house because some of this rat they carry disease for body and but people as we see the rat they don't dey outside now, they look everywhere, they touchlight how they go to see enter people house, they shop food or other things because food no dey now for that dustbin. Another place they throw away food for them to see to shop. My people, this one come make me remember that time for my house where we say rat no see food shop. Now rat face my certificate, my WAEC result. Now they go the white look where I get 9 credit. They chop the credit, leave 9. My people, how I want to use that certificate again. Even my university self, they look that place where we say the right university, they chop university where register they chop ready leave star. My people, now so I no fit use that certificate again. Maybe now wait America see where they begin want everybody say make una be careful for this rat matter, make una lock una door and lock everywhere because the rats now they don't cut rope and you know say rat for there they no be like Nigerian wey get patient, they know they speak English 2 times now to chop now the day. My people, this now Pidgin News Network and a man on the street be this.